Hey, it's Dan from Nissan of Tustin here. 2019 Nissan Rogue SL. It has a 4-cylinder engine, 170 horsepower, and it has a CVT transmission. Here we have the intelligent auto headlights, and it's in a nice Caspian blue color. We have 19-inch premium alloy wheels. We have intelligent around view monitors. This car has intelligent keys, so all you have to do is press the button with the key and it opens right up. Inside the vehicle we have blind spot monitors, so you can see if you're going to merge lanes safely. We also have push to start. We also have dual climate control, so one side of the car can be a different temperature than the other side of the car. Here's the rear view of the car. It has an automatic motion activated lift gate. So one quick kick and the back opens right up for you. As you can see, we have a lot of storage space back here. These actually move in 16 different ways, so you can make it however you want to have the nice amount of space required. We have a lot of room here in the back seat, and the SL does come with leather seats. The lift gate closes with the press of a button, and we'll just do one more quick walk around of the vehicle for you. There it is, a 2019 Nissan Rogue SL.